In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your logo on Fresha with this full and easy to follow 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Fresha user or new to the platform, refreshing your business's branding can make a big impact, and updating your logo is a great start. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Fresha partner account. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your business presence on Fresha. Head over to the Fresha partner dashboard by logging in with your credentials. If you need quick access, you can find your login page by entering partners.fresha.com in your web browser. Once you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. This is where your profile icon is located. Clicking on your profile icon will expand a drop-down menu. In this menu, select the My Profile option. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your personal information and branding elements. Now, locate the Edit button. It's typically situated towards the upper portion of the page, and clicking on it will open various fields and options that you can modify. Next, focus your attention on your avatar section. This is where your current logo is displayed. Click on the logo to initiate the process of selecting a new image. Make sure you've prepared a file of your new logo that suits your updated brand image. The option to choose your desired photo will appear once you click on your current logo. Browsing through your computer, select the image file you intend to use as your new logo. This logo will become a visual representation of your brand on Fresha, so selecting an image that's clear and professional is crucial. Once you've picked the photo, you'll get an option to adjust it to your liking. Fresha provides a simple interface for adjusting the photo's position and zoom level, so play around with the settings until the image is perfectly framed. When you're satisfied with how your new logo looks, click Apply. This step locks in the adjustments that you've made to the image. Finally, and importantly, make sure to click Save. This action is essential because it finalizes the changes. Updating your logo across your account without saving any adjustments made will revert back to the original settings. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your logo on Fresha. It's a simple yet effective way to sharpen your brand's image. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget, keeping your business's online presence fresh and updated is a key step in maintaining a professional and inviting profile on platforms like Fresha. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.